The next time you're out flying, think about how you're holding your radio. And as you're moving the sticks, a lot of times what I'll find is someone will be on there and you can see them. They're trying to get it to do a rolling harrier or bring it around or hovering, and they're just really pushing, and you can see their fingers go white, that white knuckled effect. Well, when you do that, you're never going to be precise. It's impossible to push and get things to move smoothly. The rolling harrier is an example of where I see a lot of people tend to tighten up, or when they're hovering, they'll tighten up, and the movement is really hard and erratic. I'm guilty of this bad. If I start getting tense, what I'll do is I'll grip my radio down on this side and I'll start pulling, and I have a hard time getting all the way into the right rudder. So when I'm doing a rolling harrier, it's really difficult for me to do that rolling harrier straight because I cannot get my right rudder. I can't steer it. But if I lighten up and then kind of let my radio drop down into my neck strap and sit down onto the neck strap, and I just sit my thumbs on top, now I can get into the right rudder, left rudder, and I can move as I need to, and the rolling harrier is much easier. Instead of pushing down hard, stay really, really light on top of your sticks. Be feather light, and then hold that radio and move your sticks so that everything is nice, light, easy, and it works out really well. So the next time you're flying, just think about lightening up your finger on the stick. Lighter pressure will make you a smoother pilot. Till next time, happy landings.